Hey guys, welcome to our September vlog. So I've got my cozy cup of September tea because it's getting colder. Back to school is happening. Got my back to school plaid going on here. So I just wanted to chat with you about the things we've been doing the past month, what's coming up within Pianote, and yeah, just kind of give you a little inside look at what's happening. So first of all, we have been working like crazy to write 10 books. All based on the Pianote foundations. I really want to revolutionize the way music is taught with these books. It's a lofty goal, but I feel like we're doing it with Pianote, so why couldn't we do it with the Pianote books? The deadlines have been mental, so I've really been writing a book every single week, and we're approaching the final deadline for all 10 books so that we can get them released to you as soon as possible. So I'm gonna give you a little peek at some of the extra stuff. I don't know if you know this, but writing a book is more than just writing a book. You have to take pictures for the book. You have to have things to take pictures of because y'all don't want to see me on every single page. You want to look at some pianos too. So take a look at how some of that all shaped up. It was quite the adventure. It's basically Christmas in July right now because Roland just showed up with pianos. So we've got the Roland RD2000 stage piano here, which I can't even tell you how excited I am to play. And then look at this little treasure. This is an electric upright, and it is the LX706, and we're gonna plug it in a minute and try it out. So we combine that with our Roland V Grand, which is hiding there, and some other little treasures, which we'll show you later, and we're gonna be rocking. So we are taking photos for the Pianote books today, and it's an all-day shoot full of pianos, and I wanted to show you what the set looks like, so come on in. Okay, so first of all, this isn't even in the set yet, but look at what we have. We have a montage, the Roland RD2000, a Nord, and the MX61, and then the Go keys. So we're gonna be shooting these today because, I mean, come on, in a piano book, don't you want to see all these amazing keyboards instead of just one single piano for every page? So that's cool. And then the Pianote set got a little bit of a facelift. So we have a new carpet. It's a little more chill to help keep me, in the zone. Don't worry, we're gonna keep the cloth. They keep trying to take it out of the set, but I'm putting it back. Well, look at the pretty new things. I can't even decide what my favorite one is. I'm pretty proud of this one. This was a good find. This is a sharp, not a hashtag. A flying pig. Oh, I think this is Jackie's rock. This is a really beautiful rock. This isn't what you think it is. This isn't to help you imagine. It's because there's a song called Imagine. Because I thought it was kind of cheesy, but then we're like, oh, but the song Imagine, so that's cool. The pineapple's new, globe is new, Gumby's hiding here. And some sort of crazy, I don't know what this is. It says Guatemala on it. Oh, it's a drum. So we'll be taking pictures all day. My job will be to hold still and take instructions, so should be interesting. Shar, are you so excited?
You're already failing, my friend. We want to get started. Let's do this.
Okay. I'm getting in trouble, so we'll see you. So we had to take photos for the book. We decided to do the entire shoot in one day. So I don't know if you've assumed this about my personality, but I have a very short attention span. So it was incredibly difficult to behave myself, hold still, do all the right faces, not goof around, and do this all day long. So I feel like maybe our photographer and our project manager, Brandon and Shar, I feel like, I might have given them a run for their money. I'm just standing here happily?
Yeah.
Oh. What should I do with my hands?
Not that.
So, short attention span, not a writer. How does this happen? Let me tell you. I sit down with my computer. I have to be alone. I work really, really well when there's no noise to distract me. Get a hot drink, take some deep breaths, and then I actually talk out loud as I type. So I just pretend like I am talking to somebody in the room in front of me. Okay, so moving on to what's coming up in Pianote. So it's back to school, it's fall. If you have children, they are going to be going out of the house during the day, hopefully freeing you up a little bit to practice. Or maybe you work full time and nothing's gonna change. But no matter what it is, I hope that with September and the change of seasons, it brings forward, like a little bit of a change in pace for you in terms of like your lessons. So maybe you've been doing all the summer things, now we can kind of get focused in the learning. And to help kick that off, we're gonna have a course on Hannons, released by Cassie. So Hannons are fantastic dexterity and speed and warm-ups. So we'll be looking at those in the members area. So she's gonna walk you through step by step how to play her favorite ones, give you tips for, adapting them and kind of doing different things to target different areas of your technique. So I feel like that really ties in well to September, because it's back to school, back to work, back to routine, and having good technical habits is a really important part of your practice routine. We also have song releases, and I'm hoping to do a little bit of a push for song tutorials. So I don't know if you knew this, but in the members area, we have a song release every single week. That includes a lead sheet, my favorite way to learn. It includes a fully notated score for those of you that like sheet music, and backing tracks, so you can play along to something more exciting than a metronome, and then a lesson on how to play the song. So we've got all kinds of great songs in there. We've got the Scientist by Coldplay. We just released Summertime, Gershwin. Oh my gosh, it's so good. We've got classical songs. We've got everything, and we take requests from our members for these songs as well. So maybe focusing a lot on that in the fall. More courses we'll be releasing, and of course we keep the quick tips coming at ya. So it's shaping up to be a really, really good fall over at Pianote. So if you have questions about, what you should be focusing on, comment below. If you think that you're ready for a more structured approach, head on over to pianote.com. As a member, I will tailor a lesson plan specifically for you to help you meet your goals. So it's a very good reason to become a member. It's really supported, and it's really, really structured and organized. So you're guaranteed to have success. Okay, so that's what we've been working on. That's what's coming up at Pianote. Thanks for tuning in. Comment below, talk to me. I love hearing from you. I love getting to know you better. So I'll be checking those comments, and we'll see you next time.
Hey boys.
Yeah.
Can I get some more light over here?
Yeah.
As I say, installation is the opposite of removal.
All right, I'm ready. Are you ready?
I think so.
Are your ears gonna be all right?